My name is Maciel. I am a sales manager for CMC. I'm also a SPRAT Level 3, which is how I got hired in the first place for CMC. And with that certification, I also teach vertical skills class for the school. When friends and family ask me what I do for work, the short answer is usually that I sell rescue equipment, and that usually leads to a bigger conversation beyond that. So I've been working in rope access since 2008, so going on 16 years. I was just working general construction back then, and I have an older brother who's a commercial diver who gets to travel a lot for work, and I wanted to do something similar and kind of work, but I didn't want to be a diver, and he suggested rope access out of the blue. I didn't know anything about it. Did some research, watched some videos of some guys doing some pressure washing on the Space Needle in Seattle, and that looked fun. So I just went for my level 1 class and to see how it went. How does knowing so much about the product change on how I sell it? I think it gives me the ability to get together with the customer and really put it into use with them, so we can meet up, do training together, get on ropes and build systems, and really just kind of play around and allow them to ask questions about different applications, and having the ability to answer those questions and make changes into the system within the parameters of the product. Really help them to really be able to push it to where they need the product to be, and allows me to participate with them in a really close environment and help them stay safe with a new product that they're just getting to know. So it's very useful.
Once I get up there, everything goes correct.
It makes a big difference when you sell something you truly believe in. The company mission of saving lives and how to save lives with gear innovation and with education is really easy to get behind when you have a good product and the customers believe in what you do. I think that what really stands out to me at CMC is the fact that it is an employee-owned company. It's a company that everyone that I work with truly believes in what we're doing in there. It means that it doesn't really matter if I'm helping the company in a way that doesn't directly affect my position in the company as a sales manager for my territory. I think as long as the entire company as a whole is doing well, it's a good outcome for everyone. So it really makes us kind of work as a team a little bit more and really have a different mindset about the projects that we're working on. I mean, you just work with a really great team. I love the people that I work with. Everybody's very approachable. It really does feel like family more than anything else.